Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VS Code latest version on Oracle Linux 10.0. Open the default web browser and also see here we don't have the VS Code. Okay, open the default browser, that is Firefox, which comes with Oracle Linux. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Enter. Then download this RPM package or go to download. Then see here we have the same. So click on this RPM package. See, wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 148 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. Okay, this will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the code RPM package. So install it, sudo rpm-ivh. Then give the code, press the tab on your keyboard to auto complete the entire RPM package name. Hit enter. Write the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, this package is required, so install it. Sudo dnf install. Copy this, that is xdg utils. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. It is done. ls. Now install this one. Sudo rpm-ivh code. Give the tab. Hit enter. See, this time we haven't received any error. We have successfully installed. Go to applications. See, here we have the VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. If you are unable to find, then search here. Okay, so open it. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Close this one. You can also open, just give the code on the terminal and hit enter. Wait a moment. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so ls, this file is not required because we have successfully installed. rm give code, give the tab to autofill entire file name. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Oracle Linux 10.0. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.